Hi. So this is my pitch for the future infrastructure star competition. This is a brief introduction about myself. The problem that I'm getting to is India's urban water crisis. And according to WWF, by the year 2050, around 13 Indian cities would face a grave water risk. And what makes us more serious is that 40% of the Indian population is expected to live in urban areas by the year 2030. The challenges that come across is that is our water loss due to theft, leaky pipes and faulty meter readings, which result in unequal and unregulated distribution of water. The tracking of amount of water used at industry level or at household level is missing, and hence accurate estimation of the demand and wastage is not possible. Right? What is my pitch? So my purpose and vision with this idea are to support the urban population to identify the quality of water being provided to them and utilize it more judiciously by tracing the water usage accurately by the hours and for the purposes it is being used. So the product would also enable the government and the water regulatory bodies to detect leakages in transmission and accurate predictions of water usage, thus reducing the water wastage across sectors. So my idea would actually use a combination of IoT devices and cloud infrastructure to effectively regulate, monitor, and distribute the water in the urban sector. The technologies used can be used across sectors and across different geographies, hence making the solution very scalable, robust, and easy to manage from any control center sitting at any part of the world. Right. So, what are the features of the product that I'm pitching currently? So, it's operating on a cloud model. It provides real-time app alerts and updates. It provides the data in custom dashboards to consumers. It can be used for tracking household tanks. Water quality can also be mentioned, and it can be used with smart water meters for billing and automatic billing and washing purposes. So this is the model. So basically, there's an IoT device that will be stored in the storage water tank, which will be connected to the cloud using LoRa, GSM, or Wi-Fi. The IoT device at the location will only be used to collect data, and the entire computation will happen at the cloud infrastructure. Same thing can be done at the household or at industries as well. So basically, the IoT devices will just collect the data, sent to the cloud, and they're using different softwares for different type of data. Custom dashboards can be created that will be used by the end consumer to basically get a prediction about how they are using their water and what source they are using it from. So, what are the key problems that we are addressing? So, there's no real-time water level information. Currently, there is tanker water supply and theft. So, we'll be actually knowing what is the exact amount of water used. That will help in that as well, and we will have more information about the missing water leakages. Other problems can be referred from the slide. So basically, I've actually explained the entire model. The thing to note over here is that the integrated circuit on the electronic board could only be used for collecting data and then sharing the data to the cloud platform where the storage, processing, and computation of data would occur. So this basically would help in making the solution very scalable and can be implemented to any part of the globe and can be controlled from any part of the globe as well. So why we're using cloud? So cloud actually provides access to the provision to store more data and to be used to predict demand and then cater the supply accordingly from the data collected. The electronic board at the site would have minimal working parts or circuits, which would make the installation and maintenance very easy and convenient. The updated patches would need not to be installed at the site or the electronic boards. The software is operating on cloud, which ensures that the customer always gets the latest version and benefit from the same, and they don't have to manually update their electronic devices. So, service providers such as AWS, Microsoft, Azure, and Google provide services and software that are available across the globe, which we'll be using. These are some of the benefits that will be given to individual homes and for the governments in the water supply regulatory boards. These are the sample dashboards that the consumers will be looking at while using the mobile application. We'll also provide water conservation in terms of liters and in terms of money that they have saved. So let's talk a little about scalability and visibility. The model is highly scalable and easy to maintain and update. As a software that makes sense of data collected to sit in the cloud, the IoT devices can be used even in industrial use cases, and as the analysis of data captured can be managed custom to the requirement in industrial use cases. The model would require a very low charge from the customers and maintenance is minimal. The solution is feasible from cost perspective as the cloud infrastructure follows pay-as-you-go model. So as we scale, we'll pay the cloud services more. So these are the go-to-market strategies. We'll try to follow the public sector route in India because of the smart city mission that's going on in India right now. But I've also tried to make a strategy for directly targeting the consumers as well. Please go through the same. Thank you.